Seasol started manufacturing back in 1974. However, the journey really began when a coal miner from England recognised the potential and took over in 1984. From then, Seasol has grown into one of Australia's leading suppliers of organic and naturally based plant and soil treatment companies. Still Australian made and owned, Seasol employs over 60 people. Seasol supplies a range of bio-stimulants for plant and soil health. KELP, fish, HUMUS and microbes. Seasol manufacture and market a wide range of organic liquid seaweed and environmentally friendly fertilisers for plant and soil care. Seasol's formulations have been tried and tested over the years, resulting in real benefits in plant growth and health. Seasol is a unique plant and soil health treatment. It stimulates strong, healthy root growth, promotes vigorous flowering and fruiting, and encourages beneficial soil microorganisms to flourish. At Seasol, we're very passionate and devoted to the continuing growth in plant and soil health. We continue to heavily invest into both research and development to ensure we are always moving forward. Aiming to improve the way we grow our food and live through striving to develop products that help our plants withstand the harshness of our environment naturally. Focusing on reducing the reliance of traditional chemical fertilisers and continuing the transition to a more organic and sustainable approach. Our drought stress research is based not only on singular stress events, but repetitive events on the same plant as in the real environment. Our core focus moving forward will be the research and development of soils and soil health. The understanding of soil's complex biodiversity and helping the world return dirt back to a healthy, living soil. Seasol's commercial products have been tried and tested and are used on commercial crops around the world. Seasol products are exported all around the globe to help grow a wide variety of crops. Seasol products are tried and tested in the commercial market, then taken to the home garden. One of Australia's favourite natural products for the home garden.